In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a spotlight effect on CapCut in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful editing trick if you want to draw attention to a subject, add drama to a scene, or make your video look more polished and professional. And the best part is, once you know where to find it, the process is actually very quick. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and drag your video clip onto the timeline. This is the clip you want the spotlight effect to appear on, so make sure it's placed properly and ready to edit. Once your video is on the timeline, look at the top left menu bar and click the Effects tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its built-in visual effects, and it's the main place you'll be working from in this tutorial. After you click Effects, select Video Effects. Then go to the search bar and type in Spotlight. CapCut will show you a list of different spotlight style effects, so take a moment to browse through the available options. Now, here's an important detail. If you're using a free account, you can only export effects that do not have the Pro label, which is usually marked with a gem icon. So before you choose an effect, make sure it doesn't show that Pro badge if you want to export your video without upgrading. Once you find a suitable spotlight effect, drag it down to the timeline and place it directly above your video clip. You'll see it appear as an effect block on a separate track, and that means it's now applied to your footage. Next, click on the effect block to select it. When you do that, look over to the right-hand adjustment panel, where CapCut gives you controls for changing the look and feel of the effect. This is where you can tweak the spotlight style to better match your video. You may be able to adjust things like intensity, size, position, softness, or other effect settings, depending on the version of CapCut you're using. Take a few moments to fine-tune it so the spotlight highlights exactly the area you want. If the effect feels too strong, reduce it a little. If it's not noticeable enough, increase the settings until it stands out the way you want. The goal is to make the spotlight look intentional and clean, not distracting. Once you're happy with the result, play back your video to preview how the effect looks in motion. This is an important step because effects can look different once the clip is actually playing. If everything looks good, you're ready to export your video. And that's it. You've now created a spotlight effect on CapCut using a simple video effects setup. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let me know in the comments what editing effect you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.